Part 2. I'll try to put this on my Facebook too, and on my YouTube. Hopefully it'll go on both. Oh, this is funny. We got her on Saturday, and yesterday she played really hard in the morning, and then probably about 11:30, maybe noonish. Oh, I think the batteries are getting weak. She found a spot, or she got something to eat, found a spot, and curled up and slept. And we were in and out because we had things to do. And when we come back each time, she was in the same spot sleeping, so she must have pretty much slept all day, but that's what kittens do. So probably any time now she'll be curling up somewhere to take a nap. She's been playing non-stop since 8 o'clock this morning. She ate her breakfast and then got up there and ate some more, and she's been playing non-stop. Alright, I'm going to cut this one short because that way, if the other one does not go onto my Facebook from being too long, I know this one will. So, anyways, this is Goldie, my new baby.